Alright, so boys have deposited 5 cents inside the account. So far this is how the whole market is looking. So back in the day I used to be so afraid. I used to like, oh, let me first look for some interest for buys. Oh, no. Nowadays I'm just a calm guy, right? By a calm guy I mean that I'm not necessarily chasing the market like for every small peep move. No, I'm looking for high probability setups, right? I'm just looking for those high probability setups. Of course, yeah. So even though I don't take a trade today, let me first remove actually most of this garbage. This is garbage, right? I have these pairs which are actually bullshit. Look at all this. 25, I love it. But the rest, nah. The rest is all garbage. Yeah, I think let me first close these ones. So I'll go to 100. So volatility 100. I told you guys that it's selling, but if you want to go this a small account, we shall go to something that takes time, which is volatility 75 index, right? So 75 index, we have it. Then 75 1s, those two very good for small accounts. Then we have volatility 251s, so 250 1s, it's also very good for small accounts. So volatility 251s, we can set our limits. For instance, look at this. If you took a sell here all the way up to here, that would have been just 0.44 cents, 46 cents, right? 46 cents. And imagine how far market has moved. Market has spent a long time in this thing. Market has moved for so long that you can even measure the distance moved in kilometers, and yet we are still not that far away. Okay, so a word to a wise mind. When you're growing small accounts, sometimes people use like Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are not bad. It's only that when you are addicted to using them, that's when they become exceedingly uncalled for. So here I won't use it because, you know, why should I use it? Here also I don't really see anything to use it for. The V25, actually I should not be using the daily, I should be using like the H4. Yeah, on V75 you see that price has already broken under the thing. Maybe I can go to the H1 so that I can see any form of pullbacks. Okay, so we see that this H1 candle is actually trying to pull back. So this is good, this is good. For a pair, this is good. But I won't take this trade. You know why I won't take this trade? Because in the long run, I wouldn't want to do this on a real account. It will bring about that cycle of doom. So the cycle of doom is simply whereby I would enter trades just based off of my previous analysis. I would enter trades here just to catch on this peep move, and then afterwards price, in most cases actually it usually went into my direction, but then it sold off heavily, taking me out. So I didn't want to do that again and again because it's really boring to do it over again and again. Okay, so we shall go to V10. Let me just remove the Bollinger Bands just so that I can see things more clearly. Okay, Bollinger Bands is gone. So we shall choose maybe V25 one is, I think, is good. Volatility 25. I think volatility 25 one is. I think no, it's here. What the hell is Netherlands 25? Okay. I see that volatility 25 one is actually also selling a bit aggressively. I don't think we really have that much of. But as I've told you guys, when I'll take a sell here. Let's say 0.05. If you took a sell here, just want to measure my stop loss. 48 cents. Shall I take a sell? Okay. They have told us not enough money. Okay, they are good. Well, we shall look for some other pair, which actually I could even use some forex pairs. We have EFTs. Don't know what the heck is EFTs. But anyways, we have, I wanted USDJPY. So USDJPY, I don't want it from the M1 perspective, I want it from the M15. Okay, from the M15 perspective, price is bullish, which is good for us. I told you guys that above this area, price is gonna become bullish, which it has done. But currently, we are in a pullback phase, right? We're in a pullback phase. So here's where most people get it wrong. They usually want to trade the pullback, and they usually blow their accounts because they're trying to grow that pullback. But now I'll show you a simple trick. This is volatility. Okay, so I'll take a sell here. Yeah. Why is my account so small? I can't take any entry elsewhere. So sad. Cry for your boy. This is so sad that I can't take any entry anywhere. Every market is saying I can't take any entry anywhere. Anyways, I won't bore you with facts. But here's what I want you to know. If price goes under here, we may have a probability for sales. So I'll just put my limit under here. Sell limit. Okay, this is a sell stop. Okay, so if price goes under here, we may have to sell. Yeah, 1-to-1. If it was under this area, price is likely to have that continuation push to the downside. Above, I don't really have any control over that, but we know that the first leg that was made by price, this move down, it can be replicated again the second time. So we can see price actually going all the way up to like $1. But anyways, let's just leave it at that, and let's just give price its momentum. Let's give it its let's leave it to do its thing. We shall check upon this trade maybe like in the next few days, because this will be some longer trade that probably will take some good time. Okay, so we have gold. I wanted to see gold. Gold USD blah blah blah. Gold gold micro gold. So micro gold is moving the same way as real gold. The only issue being that we can't use like big positions on it. So get the indication. Not enough money again. But hit 100. We shall go to the H1. Shall wait for that pullback, maybe the continuation later on, because we've already cleared liquidity above. But anyway, that's it for now. I'll leave this small account to hold I'll leave this small account to hold, and we shall be seeing how it performs. If you go to last 3 months, haven't been trading on it. Custom period, yeah, March up to 8th. Yeah, haven't been trading on this account a lot. So the first deposit that I've made is only 0.5 cents, right? So yeah, bear with me as we take on this journey, because this is going to be some good journey. We may trade this account for some good time, but we shall grow it along the way, so be very vigilant on that. Okay, so I'm not, just to be clear, I'm not looking for these small time frame setups that, hey, oh, here price is bullish. No, I'm looking for the high time frame first, because this is the indication, this is what is giving me the confidence to take these trades. Therefore I can't really like optimize myself when I'm cheating myself of the good stuff. So I can't cheat my account of the good stuff. So if I'm able to give the demo account good setups, why should I give the real account the bad setups, right? So I'll give the account one of the best setups, right? Yeah. So here we had a break on the Bollinger Band and price is pushing down. On the H4, we see that price actually made a break towards the Bollinger Band, and yeah, there's nothing much to that, right? There's nothing much to that. But of course, as I've told you, I wouldn't recommend using too many trade lines, because they'll miss you.